Hi there, I'm Melody from WTI, and if you've ever wondered about becoming a super baker, you know what? I've got you covered. You can become that super baker. Let me introduce to you this really cool super baking set from Trader Bear. You are going to love it. This will give you the confidence that you need to try new bread recipes out. It provides you with all the tools, and it even gives you the manual to show you exactly what steps to take to use the tools, how to use them, how to care for them. This 100% natural grade A Indonesian rattan banneton proofing basket is dye and chemical free and holds 1.5 pounds of dough. This dough whisk is perfect even for the stickiest dough. I love the metal scraper, so it's good for moving the dough around, shaping and cutting. And then of course we can't forget about the scoring lamb. This comes with a few different blades and a blade protector. It's perfect for making little intricate designs in your breads. And I love this brush to clean up the basket, make sure all the flour is out, and keep the basket free from scratches. And this plastic scraper is going to come in handy when you need to clean up all that dried on dough and flour off your counter when you're done. So using your favorite bread recipe or trying out new sourdough ones, I suggest this set. Look what you can create. So if you're looking to step up the game when it comes to your bread making, if you really want to feel like a super baker, I suggest this set from Trader Bear. It's fun, it's easy to use, it's got everything that you need to give you the confidence to keep trying out those new recipes. I love it, and I know you will too. And that's my point of view.